Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. So in this video we will discuss more about Oracle SQL. So in this video we will discuss more depth about DRL or DQL command. So DRL stands for data retrieval language and DQL stands for data query language. So what do you mean by retrieval and what do you mean by query? Like retrieval means accessing the data, like opening existing data, like if 10 data are available in a table, among them 5 data or 4 data or all of the data we want to, if we want to access, then we should go for accessing, like fetching the data. So for checking balance, for searching the products, for transaction statement, we use DRL or DQL command. So in Oracle SQL provides DRL command like select. So select is a sub command that are present in or available in DRL or DQL command that are available in Oracle SQL. So it is used to retrieve or fetch or select the data from the table. So using select command, we can select like all the column and all row, like all column and specific row, like all column and all row, like specific column and specific row. So, what are the syntax of select command? So, select command select column list from table list where condition means if we can say that select star from EMP. Here, condition is not required because star represents all of the column. So, display like this: select star from EMP. Here, what do you mean by star? So, here star means all columns. So here star represents all column, means all the columns that are available in a table that can be represented by star. So if we print select star from table name, then all the data, all the columns should be printed. Then note an important point, like in our table, in the previous session we also mentioned a table like EMP table. So in our EMP table, like if we write the star command, then star is used for EMP number, EMP name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, like commission, like department number, like if we write the if we write EMP number, EMP name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, common date, department, for the star, if we don't write star and in the star place we write this component, then this should be also fulfilled. Like if we mm, don't write, if we don't write star, in that star place we write EMP number, EMP name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, common, commission, department, that also be performed, that also showing that all the tables, all the data that should be available in a table. Like select star from EMP, in that star place we write select EMP NO, ename, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number from EMP. That should be also showing all the data that are available in a table. Above query will be written in the Oracle following. So select like this. So like this. In this case, in this case, if we in this place like EMP number, EMP name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number. In this place, if we write the star, if we write the star, like select star from EMP, though, so the star result of the star is same as result of this EMP number, EMP name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number. So, so in a table, like star represents to select star, that represents to all column that are available in a table. Then all row. If we want to print all row, then we should go for don't write the where clause, like select star from anything. Don't write the where clause. That should also print the all row. Specific column like select e name salary, like specific row like select e name salary from emp, where salary, like we can write like salary equal to 25,000. So the person who is having salary 25,000, that should be select, and this employee name and salary should be displayed in the console. So this is the theoretical term. So to better understanding way, we can practical showing it by the help of SQL plus. So then go for SQL plus. Go to SQL plus, SQL plus. So after that connect, then enter username, like in my system username is system, then password 1234. Successfully connected. After that I want to check like a I want to check like which table should available in our system, in our database, like select star from emp. So this is looks like clumsy, so set the pages, like set pages 200 and set lines 200, then select star from emp. So this looks like a emp number, emp name, job, here mgr, hire date, like salary, commission, like department number. So if we want to print the department number, if we want to print that employee name, employee number, employee name, employee number, job and salary, whose department number is 20. So how to write this program, like select emp no ename job mgr hire date, like salary, like commission from emp, where dept department number equal to 20. So that's show in the console. That is like a Smith is an employee name, position is clerk, like salary 800, like uh, mgr, like a hire date, like 17 December 1980. So this showing that the department number, like Smith, Jones, Scott, Ford, Adams, these employees are employee id, employee department number is, that is 20. All the jobs holder department number is 20. So in that case I also write select star from emp, where dept department number equal to 20. That also showing same result. So in the previous uh, parent folder I saw that showing that if we replace in place of star, then employee number, employee name, like this, that also showing the same result. So this also showing in the console box, that is, if we replace the star by this, then also showing the same result. So if I wants to select the salary, like select star from EMP, where salary equal to 50,000. So I want to like this, like these are the four members that are holding salary, like taking salary like 50,000. So like that we can perform the select operation easily. So here star means all the columns. If we want to not write like select star from EMP, this is the whole data, means here we select the star means all column, but not selected the condition, where condition means if we want to select all the columns, that for that reason we select star. If we want to specific data, like select star from employee, where salary, where clause is added. If we want to replace the star by this, that also is possible, that also showing the same result. So this is enough for today. Then in the next session we will discuss about types of operator that are available in Oracle SQL. So please watch this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.